When people have first learned 3-beat weaves, they tend to think of it as something they're doing in front of them. And that's reasonable. It'll open up more possibilities if you're able to also think of a weave as something that's happening on wall plane on either side of you. That's where I can do a lockout. A lockout just means I open my arms a little bit and let the poi keep going. I have to choose one poi has to be closer to me than the other one. And this position opens up a whole lot of poi moves. I could do an air wrap. Of course, I can do my windmills. I can start to play with isolations and pops. Buzzsaw fountains, 4x4 fountains, and whatnot. Look at your shoulders. You're already gyrating back and forth. Pull your hands in close to your body, and just over time, you're going to learn to gyrate all the way till you're looking from one wall plane to another. It's really still the same move. Once you've got that, learn to do a lockout. Once you've got that, that's where it all opens up. Just give yourself days or weeks, it takes practice. That will prepare you for turning your weaves into part of a dance.